Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, September 12th, 2023. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Just a word before we start our forecast. If you'd like to help this channel, please like, share, and subscribe. And also, if you're interested in getting even more in-depth data and the premium discussion I just did about Lee and the impacts that we'll experience over the next 7 to 10 days, definitely check out the premium consulting membership. Only $11 a month. Now, let's talk about our current conditions. We have a stationary front hanging around the region that's going to gradually weaken into a trough. It's producing a mix of sun and clouds over the region with some areas of low clouds and a little bit of fog that is starting to give way. It was more robust earlier this morning around southern New Jersey. Temperatures range from the lower to mid 60s over the northern interior, mid to upper 60s in your suburbs, and lower to mid 70s along the immediate coast and in your urban areas. Winds are light and variable for the most part. When we take a look at our latest surface map and radar from WeatherTap, you can see our frontal boundary from yesterday is now off the coast, but it's basically going to stall out and then wash out as we move on through the day. Meanwhile, another cold front that's approaching will be moving through the region tonight into tomorrow morning with widespread showers and thunderstorms. In between that, we're pretty much just going to have a mix of sun and clouds, but I can't rule out a few isolated showers with these troughs hanging around the region and all the moisture still hanging in the atmosphere. So we still have relatively humid atmosphere in place until this cold front clears out, and then we are setting up for a very nice stretch of weather with comfortable conditions and low humidity. So that's certainly some good news. Taking a look at our latest satellite picture. On the visible satellite picture, you see the mix of sun and clouds with some below clouds lifting as we go on through the morning. And as we look at the infrared satellite picture, that's Lee down there. Lee is a Category 3 hurricane. Lee will continue to lift towards the north, pass between Bermuda and the coastal waters of North Carolina, and continue to track and either make landfall somewhere around the Canadian Maritimes or the Gulf of Maine, somewhere in this ballpark here. What that means for us in the northern Mid-Atlantic, well, as the storm is passing to the north, it is going to be enhancing the wave heights along the Jersey Shore, Long Island, Connecticut, and we're also going to have some strong rip tides. I wouldn't be surprised if we have some coastal flooding as well, especially along the Jersey Shore, as the swells from this storm will approach the coast. In terms of direct impact, the most significant impact for our region is going to be around eastern Connecticut and eastern Long Island on Saturday, with the potential maybe a passing shower, but most of the impact is going to be up somewhere around here, and we'll get a better idea of where exactly the storm is going to make landfall once it makes that turn, and we get a better idea on the timing of the trough that is associated with this whole weather pattern. But overall, no impacts for the northern Mid-Atlantic. The storm will stay far away as far as direct impacts. In the meantime, we have a cold front that's approaching, so let's dive into this forecast. For today, look for a mix of sun and clouds with a few isolated showers. Temperatures will be rising into the mid to upper 70s over the northern interior, upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast, and lower to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. For tonight into tomorrow, look for increasing cloud cover with showers and thunderstorms developing towards morning. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 60s over the northern interior, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast. Tomorrow afternoon, look for waves and showers and thunderstorms. Some of those thunderstorms will be featuring very heavy downpours and frequent lightning. I wouldn't be surprised if we get a few severe thunderstorms out of this, but the primary concern here will be the heavy downpours. Look for high temperatures ranging from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the northern interior, mid to upper 70s along the coast. On Thursday, that cold front clears out. High pressure will build in, a bit breezy, with low humidity, low temperatures ranging from the upper 40s to mid 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s in your suburbs, lower to mid 60s in your urban areas. High temperatures will range from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the northern interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast. On Friday, that high pressure system remains in control. There's Lee passing well to the east. Look for breezy conditions, especially along the coast. I wouldn't be surprised if we get a north wind around 10 to 20 miles per hour. Look for clear skies with low temperatures ranging from the upper 40s to lower 50s over the northern interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the northern interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast. On Saturday, Lee passes well to our east. High pressure remains in control again. There's that threat maybe for a few showers here around Connecticut and Long Island. Most of the model guidance has a storm out here, which would reduce the impact. So I kept this mostly dry. I think this is going to end up further east than what we're seeing here depicted. But one way or another, we're going to be ending up with breezy conditions and scattered cloud cover throughout the area and some enhanced wave heights, possibly a little bit of coastal flooding. Look for low temperatures to range from the upper 40s to lower 50s over the northern interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the northern interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast. On Sunday, high pressure will be in full control with scattered cloud cover expected. Look for low temperatures to range from the upper 40s to lower 50s over the northern interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s over the northern interior, mid to upper 70s along the coast. A weak trough will pass through the region on Monday with scattered cloud cover. There's a chance for an isolated shower, but the amount of moisture in the atmosphere is pretty low, so I'm not really expecting much in the way of precipitation. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. High temperatures ranging from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the northern interior, mid to upper 70s along the coast. And on Tuesday, high pressure will be in control with scattered cloud cover expected. Look for low temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s over the northern interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast. High temperatures in the lower to mid 70s over the northern interior, mid to upper 70s along the coast, and upper 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.